flying! Oh, YouTube, it's Wolf here, and welcome back to Portal. We are back. Why is the logo blurry like that? Yeah, who cares? Yes, but welcome back to Portal. We already know where, you guys already know where we left off last time. I'm pretty sure this is where we left off.
Required to remind you that
That is loud. That is very loud. How about we turn that down a little bit? Okay.
you will be baked, and then there will be cake.
Okay. Well, I searched it up, but I found out that this lady's name is GLaDOS, apparently. So yeah, I already think I know. Why does it? Oh gosh. Hey, hey, how's it going? You miss me? Did you miss me? I know. It's good to be back. It's good to be back. All right. Oh wait. What's this? I did not even realize this. So yeah, I plan to finish this game, this episode, no matter how long it takes. But yes, part 2, baby, we are back. Why is there... Wait, can I play that radio? Yeah, okay. I wish I could... Wait, could I take that with me? I'm gonna take it with me. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, I just broke the entire radio. Okay, this is gonna take a while to figure out. I don't know where I'm going. Yeah. How many levels are there in this game?
Get out! Get out! Get out of my way!
Okay, there's a... Oh, wait. I'm so dumb. Just... Okay, so now that I'm here... Oh. Yeah, this is confusing. Wait. Okay, can we like pause for a second here? Now I'm looking back at this and I feel so dumb. Like what made me decide to switch from the portal and do that little loop like little loop thing I just wait. I am back here. Yes! Is there a block that I need? Okay. Oh no. Oh no. These things are gonna shoot me. We're not having another... Okay. Is there a way for me to like hit these guys from behind?
Pause!
That did not sound right. Wait. Oh, I get it. Let's see. Shoot at it again. Because I want to kill these guys. Please tell me that hits it. Oh, you've got to be kidding. Hey, buddy. Don't mind if I just throw you off, right? There we go. Oh, wait. There's a... Oh, I get it. I get it. Oh my gosh. See, I'm smart. I know what I'm doing. That was probably the wrong way to do it, but like, hey, I did it, didn't I? I'm just that flippin' good. Alright. This thing needs to move a little faster. GLaDOS, I need some advice. Please help me out with this. GLaDOS? Okay, so obviously I can't get up there, but I can do this. I don't know what that did. I don't know what that did. I literally do not know what that did. Oh, that opens that up. I'm supposed to go. Is there a way for me to like shoot myself all the way over there? I doubt there is. I just reminded myself of companion. Oh, okay, I see. I just reminded myself of companion cube, and it really made me sad. Everybody, go into the comments right now and type in "Rest in Peace, Companion Cube." I don't care what you have to say. He sacrificed my life. Maybe I can. Maybe I can do this. Let's find out what's this. Oh gosh, this is true. Oh my god. Let's stop for right now. I need to figure this out. I'm gonna spend like 20 minutes on this. It's gonna be ridiculous. Oh! Okay, I get it. I get it now. I get it now. Okay, so now I know we have to go. Oh, no, I have to wait. Oh, wait, no, I can just shoot. Okay, so now I know that I have to go here. That should not have taken me that long. Oh my gosh. Okay, well now that we have companion cube, I mean not companion cube. Ah, see, it's really hitting me hard that companion cube is gone. Okay, now I need to leave this right here. Actually, let me leave it right here. Oh man. Is there a way for me to get back there faster? Can I just like, I don't know. Yeah, I have to wait. Ah, that camera. I feel like that camera's not really off. It's just like secretly watching me. Okay. And oh, come on. Okay, now. Oh god, wait, no. No, we don't want to do that. We do not want to do that. Okay. We did it, but I don't think we're done with this level yet. Yep, we're not done. Oh no, this is just getting worse. Oh gosh. Oh, okay, so portal right there. Portal right there. Flip up. Okay. Orange. Blue. Where now? Oh, up there, up there, up there. Orange. Blue.
Well done.
Okay.
Be advised that the next test requires exposure to uninsulated electrical parts that may be dangerous under certain conditions. For more information, please attend an Enrichment Center Electrical Safety Seminar.
Okay, enough of that. Alright, I'm making a prediction now. There's 25 levels. 25. There's no way there's 30. There's no way. I refuse to believe there's 30.
Welcome to the final test.
Alright, I'm making a prediction now. There's 25 levels.
When you are done, you will drop the device in the Equipment Recovery Annex. Enrichment Center regulations require both hands to be empty before any cake.
Editing me, just rewind back a couple of seconds and remove the part what I just said. Yeah, I meant to say there's actually 20 levels in this game.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap, right?
Okay, so that goes there. So, I'm very slow. What am I doing here? Okay. Whoa, that just tripped me out. I thought I placed my foot. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Ah. Okay, so... what happens if I do this? Go, go, go. Oh no, oh no. I got this. I'll get. Oh, ready? Oh gosh. Open it. Yeah. No, don't leave without. No! Editing me. If I find this part in the video, I'm cutting your throat off. Go, 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 go.
Ouch.
Oh, I did it. I'm so smart. Wait. Oh God. Oh, how am I doing this? How?
Congratulations. The test is now over.
What is this?
All Aperture technologies remain
So-
safely
Oh my gosh, I'm
operational
gonna-
up to 4,000 degrees Kelvin.
What is she
Rest
doing,
assured
GLaDOS?
that
I
there
thought we
is
were
absolutely
friends.
no chance of a dangerous equipment malfunction prior to your victory incandescence. Thank you for participating in this Aperture Science computer-aided enrichment activity.
What are you
Goodbye.
doing? Oh my gosh. I'm literally. I'm dead. How do I get? Okay. No. No.
What are you doing? Stop it. I.
Yeah.
We are
that's what she
pleased
did. Don't
that you
try to
made it
kill
through
me.
the final challenge where we pretended we were going to murder you.
Is that so?
We are very, very happy for your success. We are throwing a party in honor of your tremendous success. Place the device.
Am I gonna be arrested or something? It sounds like they're trying to get me to surrender. Okay, I don't know why I made it that time but not last time. It doesn't make sense. Oh, new achievement. Let's go, party goer. Okay. What the heck? Okay, I see how it is. Open this door. Open the door. Get me out of here. I thought those things were alive. I was gonna say. Okay, I can't open that. Oh gosh. What the heck? Oh gosh. Okay. Oh, bolt cutters. I just dropped the bolt cutters. Okay. How do I use these? How do I use these? I don't know how to use them. I got a wrench. What can I do with this? Throw it out. Just throw it. Just throw it out. Let me use the wrench! Or the bolt cutter, whichever one. I do not. Why are you picking up the wrench again? I want to use the bolt cutter. Open the gate. Open the gate! Are you serious? I could have done that the whole time. I feel so stupid. I'm so dumb.
Hello? Where are you? I know you're there. I can
I'm
feel
in
you
paradise,
here.
GLaDOS. No, actually, I'm not.
Hello?
That is the wrong word for this. I thought I. Oh. Can I stop this or something? There we go. Gosh, that trips me out every time. I can't open the door. Okay. Am I supposed to go over there? I was supposed to go over there, wasn't I? Okay. See, I know what I'm doing. Like, what is this? Am I going the right way? No, I am not. Oh, look, is this the beginning of the game or something? Someone failed their test? That is disappointing. Subject 042. Is that supposed to be like someone named Max or something? Max? Max? Is that you? Danger. Authorized. Can you read? Where did you read authorized? Yeah, it's the third word in the sentence, but the first word is admitted. Admittance. Admittance. Yeah. Oh. We're going up. We're going up. Okay. I was expecting to fail that.
What are you doing? You haven't escaped.
Don't worry, GLaDOS. I'm coming to you. Don't worry.
Going the right way.
Oh.
Hello? Is anyone there?
GLaDOS, don't worry. I'll come to you and finish you off. I know you want some. What the? I'm supposed to shoot. Oh, gosh. Oh! I just got... Okay, can I... Hello? See, I would be happier if you were companion cube instead. Oh my gosh! Where am I going?
Okay, the test is over now. You win. Go back to the recovery annex for your cake. It was a fun test,
thank you.
and we're all impressed at how much you won. The test is over. Come back.
No, thank you, GLaDOS. I think I'll stay right here. Actually, no, I'm trying to escape.
Uh-oh, somebody cut the cake. I told them to wait for you.
Get me out of here.
There is still some left if you hurry back.
What the heck, We're supposed to go around. Around we go. What do you do? Oh my gosh. What if I just... Oh my gosh. Okay. I can't do it. I think I have to get on top of that circular thing. Don't judge my... See, that's how you do it. That is how you do it. Gotta get out. Okay. Can you stop crouching? Why am I still crouching? I literally can't crouch. Okay. I definitely here. Oh, okay. I thought I just got a bad spec, but no, it's just buddy session.
Where do you think you're going?
The right way.
You're going where you think you're going. Hello?
Need something, GLaDOS? Oh my god, I'm gonna get crushed. I'm gonna get crushed. Oh my. Okay. Oh, I'm supposed to get up there. Oh, shit is out. Oh, I can already see how I get up there. weren't you, GLaDOS? I think is this not a misunderstanding? That would be bad. Oh my god, that's bad.
And then I was all, we pretended we were going to murder you. That was great.
Where am I?
Was all, we pretended we were going to murder you.
Okay,
And then I was all, we pretended.
Alright, do not get crushed. Oh my god! Oh, I need to get up there. Okay, up there. Where am I going now? Okay. No, I'm not going over here. Am I going up there? Okay, let's wait till I have to get over there. How do I get over there? Wait, oh. I see how we get over there. Okay. Let's wait for this thing to come back. No! Alright, let's wait for this to come back. Okay. What is this? Okay, it's fine. I can just do this. Simple as that.
You really shouldn't be here. This isn't safe for you. It's not too late for you to turn
Ah!
back. You really shouldn't be here. This isn't safe for
What
you.
is this? This is
It's
unfair.
not too
I
late.
can't.
Shouldn't be here. This isn't safe for you.
What?
It's not too late. This isn't safe for you. It's not too
Come
late
on!
for you to turn back. This isn't safe for you. It's not too late for you to turn back.
How do I?
For you. It's not too late for you to. This isn't safe for you. You really shouldn't be here. This isn't safe for you. You really shouldn't be here. This isn't safe for you. This isn't safe for you. It's not too late for you to turn back. For you. It's not too late for you to turn back. I'm not here.
No,
This
no, no!
isn't safe. This isn't safe for you. It's not too late for you to turn
Oh my god, finally!
Where am I going? Let me through. Okay. Do I have to like go through this space or something? Yes, I think I do. This is the most weirdest platforming
It's
I've
funny,
ever seen.
actually, when you think about it. Someday we'll remember this and laugh, and laugh, and laugh. Oh boy. Well, you may as well come on back.
Damn it!
You should have turned left before.
I got this.
Someday
I
we'll
got this.
remember
It's
this
no
and
problem.
laugh, and laugh, and laugh. Oh boy. Well,
GLaDOS, I don't want to hear you talking. Okay, I can't. But I can. Oh, okay. Another loading area. Should I save my game in case my game like crashes? I'm gonna actually do that. All right. Oh God. Okay, so you're not gonna let me through. I see how it is. Am I stuck down here? I'm stuck down here. Oh my God. No. Okay, shot. How am I not dead? I just got shot like 500 times.
Let me down.
So you're just gonna shoot at me, huh? see how it is. Which one opens first? Oh gosh, what's that?
I don't hate
That's
you.
what you get. That's what you get.
You're not a good person. You know that, right? Good people don't end up here. Can you hear me?
No, definitely not. This is a little longer than I'd expected this game to be, but it's fine. I'm supposed to be. No, I can't even. Wait, I can't. Okay. Ah, get me! I'm stuck. What the? Wait, what? Oh, I placed down the wrong. Okay. How? So how do I get it? Maybe we could cheat this. We could cheat this. We could cheat it. Maybe we could cheat it. Cheat it! Cheat it! Yeah, that's how you do it. Wait, was I up here? No, I wasn't up here. I have to go this way now.
Please put me down. Just kick down. Wow.
This game is so long. Oh my gosh. I'm supposed to be going this way now. Oh, what's this? Okay. Help. The cake is a lie. The cake is a lie. Okay, it's just repeating itself. The cake is a lie. The cake is a lie. Can you let me through the vent? I'm surprised I made that with just little momentum.
This is your fault. It didn't have to be like this.
Yeah, it did.
I'm not kidding
Why'd you
now.
try?
Turn
Why'd you
back
have to
or
try?
I will kill you.
No, you won't.
I'm going to kill you. And all the cake is gone. You don't even care, do you? This
not
is
gonna
your
kill
last
me.
chance.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die! Oh wait, shoot. Oh wait, shoot over here. Okay. Open the door, please. It never ends! It never ends! How do... Okay, how do I get it? Oh, now I have to get it to shoot. I see. I have to get it to shoot. Hey, shoot over here. Over here. There's nothing here. Oh, wait. How do I get up there? I can't get up there. I cannot get up there. Wait, I need a companion. I mean, not companion. Damn it. Okay, don't open the door right on me. Oh, it's gonna drop a cube. How do I get the cube? How do I get it? The cube. I can't get up here. Wait, do I need to get you to shoot the glass? Hey, do me a favor and shoot the glass. There we go. Okay. Mine moving a little faster. What am I waiting for? I can't jump down, obviously. I'll just die. Wait, there's a... Come on. Hop to it. It genuinely never ends. Okay. Oh, okay, another savings. Oh gosh. sewers! And this is slippery and I can't jump. Oh no, is this a maze? Please don't tell me this is a maze. I hate mazes. Okay, it's not a maze. What am I doing? Oh no. That's not good.
Hey. Please put me down. Searching. Uh-oh. Put me down.
Alright, you're next.
Activated.
Ouch.
I don't hate you.
Wait. Oh, it fell asleep. Okay, well. Yeah, so I'm guessing I need to. Oh, I see. Oh, I see how this is gonna be. Oh, okay. Oh god. Okay. Ugh.
Hello, sorry. Put me down. Are you I'm shutting down.
How do I get up there? Oh wait. I can't throw my portal up there, so how do I get up there? Oh my god, I have to get up there? You're telling me I have to get up there? There's no way you're telling me I have to get up there. What if I just... Ouch. Okay, so let's try that again, but like, let's put that right there. Oh! I almost made it! I almost made it! I almost made it! I almost made it! I made it! I'm so freaking good. Wait. Was I already here? Wait, where did I just come from? I came from over here, right? I'm so confused right now. This is tripping me out. Okay, so can I open this? Nope, I cannot. So we're going this way. Okay, oh, this looks like a... Is that you, GLaDOS?
Well, you found me. Congratulations. Was it
GLaDOS.
worth it? Because despite your violent behavior, the only thing you've managed to break so far is my heart. Maybe you could settle for that, and we'll just
I don't
call it
feel
a
bad
day.
at all,
I guess we
GLaDOS. You
both
tried to
know that
kill me.
isn't going to happen. You chose this path. Now I have a surprise for you. Deploying surprise in 5, 4... Time out for a second. That wasn't supposed to happen. Do you see that thing that fell out of me? What is that? It's not the surprise. I've never seen it before. Never mind. It's a mystery I'll solve later. By myself. Because you'll be dead. Where are you taking that thing?
This is my new friend, GLaDOS.
I wouldn't bother with that thing. My guess is that touching it will just make your life even worse, somehow.
I don't think so.
I don't want to tell you your business, but if it were me, I'd leave that thing alone.
Oh, I have to throw this in there. Oh.
Do you think I'm trying to trick you with reverse psychology? I mean, seriously now.
Yes, I do. So...
Maybe you should marry that thing since you love it so much. Do you want to marry
will.
it? Well, I won't let you. How does that feel?
Oh.
You're kidding me. Did you just stuff that aperture science thing, we don't know what it does, into an aperture science emergency intelligence incinerator? That has got to be the dumbest thing that... Whoa, whoa, whoa. Good news. I figured out what that thing you just incinerated did. It was a morality core they installed after I flooded the enrichment center with a deadly neurotoxin to make me stop flooding the enrichment center with a deadly neurotoxin. So get comfortable while I warm up the neurotoxin emitters. Huh.
That's not good. That's
That
not
core
good.
may have had some ancillary responsibilities. I can't shut off the turret defenses. Oh well. If you want my advice, you should just lie down in front of a rocket.
I got a
Trust me.
shooter.
It'll be a lot less painful than the neurotoxin.
Oh god, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
Keep
What do I
doing
do?
whatever it is you think you're doing. Killing you and giving you good advice aren't mutually
Do I have to
exclusive.
shoot these things down?
The
Oh
rocket
gosh.
really
I have
is the
5
way to
minutes.
go.
I have 5 minutes. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what
That thing you burned up isn't
Do I have to-
important to me. It's the fluid catalytic cracking
Come here.
unit. It
I have
makes
to shoot
shoes for orphans. Nice job breaking it, hero. This isn't brave. It's murder. What did I ever do to you?
Shoot
The
him.
difference between us is that I can feel
That
pain.
completely missed.
Did you hear me? I said you don't care. Are you listening?
Okay, there we go. That took so long just for... Where'd it drop? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where's it? Did it drop?
That's it. I'm done reasoning with you. Starting now, there's going to be a lot less conversation and a lot more killing.
How did it get up there? Are you kidding me?
Who are you? What is
Come on,
that?
come on, come on.
Oh,
We don't
what's
got time
that?
for this.
What's that?
What was that?
Is that?
Did you say something?
Oh, that thing
I
has numbers
sincerely
on
hope
it.
you weren't expecting a response,
No, that I
because
didn't.
I'm not talking to
Oh, what's
you.
wrong
The
with you?
talking is over.
Where are we going? You coming back? Oh, hey, do you smell something burning?
Oh, you think you're doing some damage?
2 plus 2 is...
In base 4, I'm fine. I let you survive this long because I was curious about your behavior. Well, you've managed to destroy that part of me.
have to shoot her
Unfortunately,
twice?
as much as I'd love to now, I can't get the neurotoxin into your head any faster.
Oh, I just saw
I'd just
myself.
like to point out that you were given every opportunity to succeed. There was even going to be a party for you. A big party that all your friends were invited to. I invited your best friend, the companion cube. Of course, he couldn't come because you murdered him. All your other friends couldn't come either because
How
you don't
dare
have any
you?
other
You say
friends
I
because
murdered
of how
companion cube.
unlikable
I'm
you
so
are.
mad.
It says so right here in
Don't
your
ever say I
personality.
murdered companion. You
Unlikable.
murdered companion.
Liked by no
I need
one.
to put this.
A bitter, unlikable loner whose passing shall not be mourned, shall not be mourned. That's exactly what it
You
says.
gotta be kidding me.
Very formal.
GLaDOS, stop dodging my moves!
Speaking of curiosity, you're curious about what happens after you die, right? Guess
Stop.
what?
Fine. Rest.
Stand before I finish explaining it,
Where'd it
though,
go?
so
Where'd it
I
go?
won't
Where'd it go?
bother.
Where'd it go?
Here's a
Where'd it go?
hint.
Where'd it go?
You're gonna want to pack as much living as you can into the next couple of minutes.
GLaDOS, what did you do
This
with
isn't
it?
brave. It's murder. What did I ever do to you?
Oh,
The difference between us is that I can feel pain. You don't even care, do you?
you think I don't feel pain? GLaDOS, I'm literally feeling it. You're a robot. How are you gonna feel pain? Doesn't make sense. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where'd it go? GLaDOS, what did you do with it? Where did it go? Seriously? I can't shoot you down again, GLaDOS.
What was that? Did you say something? I sincerely hope you weren't expecting a response, because I'm not talking to you. The talking is over.
Okay, well, stop talking. Where did your core thingy go? Oh my god, I only have like 30 seconds. Yep, well, that was a complete fail. It's literally gone. I can't find it. GLaDOS, it's 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. I can't find it. It's literally gone. I saw it like fly somewhere, but I don't know where it went.
I know. You're going to find out firsthand before I finish explaining it, though, so I won't bother. Here's a hint.
Where does it go? Where did it go? Where did it go?
Next
Where did it
couple
go?
of
Where?
minutes.
Oh
How
my
did that
god.
get up there? Are you kidding?
That thing you burned up isn't important to me. It's the fluid catalytic cracking unit.
How
It
would I
made
get
shoes for orphans.
How am I supposed
Nice
to
job
get
breaking it, hero.
Okay,
This isn't brave. It's murder. What did I ever do to you? The difference between us is that I can feel pain. You don't even care, do you?
aha.
18.25 ounce packaged chocolate cake mix.
Did you hear me? I said you don't care.
Talking about
Are you
chocolate
listening?
cake.
3/4 cup
Yup.
vegetable
Wait, I
oil,
want some
4
chocolate
large
cake.
eggs, 1 cup
You don't mind.
semi-sweet chocolate chips,
That's it.
3/4
That's
cup
I'm
butter,
done
1
reasoning
large
with you.
ring,
Starting now, there's going to be a lot less conversation and neurotoxin. So deadly.
How are you coughing?
Joking.
Kidding.
The deadly
How
was
is
in
that
massive
floating?
sarcasm quote. I could take a bath in this stuff, put it on cereal, rub it right into my eyes. Honestly, it's not deadly at all.
To me.
You, on the other hand, are going to find its deadliness a lot less funny. Well then, the last thing you want to do is hurt me. I have your
Come on.
brain scanned and
I need
permanently
that.
backed up in case something terrible happens to you.
Got it.
Which it's just about to. Don't believe me? Yeah, I'll put you on. That's you. That's how dumb you sound. You've been wrong about every single thing you've ever done, including this thing. You're not smart. You're not a scientist. You're not a doctor. You're not even a full-time employee. Where did your life go so wrong? Are you trying to
Come
escape?
on.
Things have changed since the last time I left the building. What's going on up here will not keep me back in here. I have an infinite capacity for knowledge, and even I'm not sure what's going on outside. All I know is I'm the only thing standing between us.
Yes.
Unless you have a plan for building some simple computer
Goodbye,
parts in a big
GLaDOS.
hurry.
This place isn't going to be safe much longer.
Oh gosh. What's up? Oh my god. What is happening? Oh my god, it's an electromagnetic tornado. I don't. Okay. Well, I think by killing GLaDOS, we also just killed ourselves. Oh my gosh. Is that heaven? I'm flying! Oh! What just happened? Oh my gosh. I'm free? I'm free!
Thank you for assuming the party escort submission position.
Let's go! I'm free. Wait, I'm not free! I'm being dragged! Oh my gosh, I'm not free. What just happened? Oh no. It's the cake! There was cake! She wasn't lying? There's actually companion cube! It's still there! Oh, what is that? Oh no. So I don't get to eat the cake? Huh. What?
This
Can I
was a triumph.
What is this
I'm
music?
making a note here. Huge success.
There's a song?
It's hard to overstate my satisfaction.
This is so cool.
Aperture science.
Oh my gosh.
We do
So
what
these
we
are the
must
credits.
because we can.
Well, that's Portal 1 finished.
For the good
I think
of
this is the
all
first
of
game we've
us,
finished on
except
the.
the
No,
ones
this is
who are
no.
dead. But
We
there's
finished
no
Five Nights at
sense
Freddy's.
crying
Yes.
over every
This is the second
mistake.
game we finished
You
on the
just
channel.
keep on trying till you run out of
This is actually so cool. I'm about to vibe to this. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this is so good.
I'm not even angry.
Yes.
I'm being so sincere right now.
Oh my gosh. I am not skipping
Even
through
though you broke my heart and killed me.
this. Okay, well, that's Portal 2.
And tore me to pieces. And threw every piece into
So, this game, I don't know what to think about it. It's a pretty good game. It's just very
Now these points of data make a
requires a lot of
beautiful line.
brain
We're
storage.
out of data, we're releasing on time. So
Oh my god, when did this game come out?
think of all
Oh,
the things we
look, black.
learned for the people
wait,
who are still alive.
This game is really good. It's time consuming, but it's good.
Go ahead and leave me.
So yeah, that's the end of Portal. Expect Portal 2 at some point, but not right now. Maybe, who knows? I just know that Portal 2 is way longer. It's like, I don't know how long it is, but I know it's like Black Mesa.
That was a joke, haha, fat chance.
Fat Chance?
Anyway, this cake is great. It's so delicious and moist. Look at me still talking when there's science to do. When I look out there, it makes me glad I'm not you.
I want to know who made this. Who made this part? This is gold.
People who are still alive.
Oh my god.
Believe me, I am still alive. I'm doing science and I'm still alive. I feel fantastic and I'm still alive.
Oh my god.
While you're dying, I'll be still alive.
Whoa!
When you're dead, I will be still alive.
Okay, this is getting dark. This is a song that goes from happy to dark.
Still alive.
That was beautiful, even though it got dark there in the end. Look, our title screen changed. We got the cake. Oh, I could already imagine my in-game player eating this. But that's awesome. Got some bonus maps, but yeah, we're not doing that. We are not doing that. But yeah, that's Portal 2, guys. Portal 1, not Portal 2. Portal 2 is coming up, but not now. But yeah, hopefully guys, you did enjoy this series on the channel. If you did, be sure to subscribe if you want to, and hit that like button. And go ahead and hit the notifications bell. If you have time, you most likely will. So do it. And comment down below, what was your favorite part of this game? That's a weird question to ask, but hey, the more the merrier. That doesn't make sense. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next playthrough, whatever that may be. So, see ya.